So Josh, you're always making fun of how people pack things, so why don't you show us how to pack something? Alright, I'm going to show you how to pack something that I recently sold. First we're going to use a box, not an envelope. That's the trick. Come on, box. Oh, I hate those envelope people. Anyways, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Even though these aren't PEZ, we have to ship them. Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Alright, there's my first layer. Now I have another one of these. This is going to go on top of that. So there will be certain layers of protection, if you will. Alright, so I'm going to put another grocery bag in here. Then I have this sorry about that, white paper. Start adding our NADSAT Bear Brick dispensers into the box. Carefully wrapping around all of them. It's going to be the greatest one-hand pack job ever. Then I'm putting another. Alright, there we go. Hey man, hard to do one-handed. Yeah. There they are. They're in there. They're hidden. All right, now we're going to do some tape. Luckily, I have a tape gun here. And I'm great at nailing the box. So we're going to do it this way. Since I have two hands. We're going to start here on the side. Make sure the flap is nice and down. Alright, I have two layers on there. There we go. Nice box. They will not arrive damaged unless somebody runs it over with a truck. I'll put my address there, their address here. Yeah, you guys know how to do it. There we go. The worst PEZ video that I could possibly make. How to box up and ship PEZ. That's how you do it. Good luck to you all. So until next time.